All right, guys, you can see the truck behind me here. We actually got a bit of a mess in here right now. I really don't want to show you guys, but I want you to see what we're working on. I've got a new camera system that I'm putting in for safety features. I'm gonna have a camera on the back of the trailer, a camera on the back of the truck, 2 cameras on the mirrors, you know, one on each side looking backwards down the side of the truck, and I'm gonna have one looking out the front for safety reasons, in case someone hits me, hits the load, stuff like that. It's gonna play continuous. It'll record up to, I think, 2 months worth of video without looping over, so we'll have enough video. But we've got the dash all tore apart here, the panel, you know, the cameras on the outside. I gotta run the cameras on the inside. I gotta run wiring all the way down the trailer, stuff like that. So we've got a lot of work to do, but let's go get to it. Trying to save you guys from having to watch all the boring stuff, so I'm just going to show you as I go what all I've got done so far. Like right now I've got, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a camera up on top of the mirror here. I got that camera up there. I got a camera way up in the corner here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that one's going to be watching the trailer. I haven't done the one on the trailer yet. I'm going to be 100% honest. I think I lost that camera. If it's not in my truck back at home, I have no idea where it's at. But I've got both the mirror cameras. I've got one looking forward. I'll show you guys all inside, what, you know, the monitor and everything after, but I wanted to let you guys see this. It's a nightmare, man. Just all wiring. All this wires just dangling everywhere. I'm trying to hide it, and I want to make sure that it's not visible. I don't like to do, you know, jobs where everything just looks nasty, and I want it to all be hidden behind the dash and look good. So right now I'm in the process. I'm actually running for the camera back here. I'm running it down and then underneath the truck, the body, all the way up to the front, and then it's going to come up through a hole up in the front there and plug into the black box there, which is what records everything. But I'm going to take a break here for a minute because it's pretty hot outside. It's about 100 degrees down here. I don't know why I ever moved down to Florida. I think this is the biggest mistake of my life. But as for now, man, I'm gonna take a break and then I'm gonna get back to it here. All right, guys, so for the most part we've finished up. I've got all the cameras installed. I've got all the wiring ran. I just got to put some stuff back together inside the truck where I ran the wire behind and hit it. But as I said before, I've got one camera right up there in the corner right there. That one's going to be looking back at the load as I'm going down the road, so I can make sure from the truck if anything's shifted or anything. Then I've got one right here on top of the mirror. I know it's going to get loud. I got the truck running for the air conditioning because I've been in there working. It is hot down here, man. It really is. Then I've got one on top of this mirror up there. And then, all right, so you guys saw where all the cameras were mounted. Now, I got to get going here, but I just wanted to show you how I hid all the wires. I put all the wires for all the cameras, like for the camera that's actually outside here, it's run in through the wall here, run up over top behind all this, and then it's behind this one, and then it runs down the door. You can kind of see the wires there. I got to hide them better, but then it goes down straight down to the box there. Now the other thing that I added was you can see the monitor here. So I added it on a switch. This switch right here, if I shut this switch off, everything shuts off. You can see everything's gone. And then that way it's not running while, say, I'm parked right here for 2 weeks at a time, killing my battery. But man, I'm really hot. It's 95 degrees outside. I think I'm gonna call it a day. It's already getting late. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I gotta get home get ready to go out to dinner with my son and my fiance. I think we're gonna go out to eat tonight, so because this is my last night in town. I'm leaving tomorrow. So as for now, man, I will see you all in the next one.